I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I open the kitchen window. I open the kitchen window. You brew fresh morning coffee. He pours fresh orange juice.
She slices sweet red apples. I toast warm, crisp bread.
We sit at the table. You pass the sweet honey. I spread butter on toast. I spread butter on toast. He reads the morning news. He reads the morning news.
She wipes the wooden counter. She wipes the wooden counter. I dry the white dishes. I dry the white dishes.
We step into the garden. We step into the garden. You carry the green hose. You carry the green hose. I water red garden roses. I water red garden roses. He trims the long hedges. He trims the long hedges.
She picks ripe yellow lemons. She picks ripe yellow lemons. I sweep the brick path. I sweep the brick path. You plant small seed pots.
We feed colorful birds. He fills wooden boxes.
She ties tall tomato stakes.
I clean old garden tools. You lift heavy flower pots. He paints wooden benches. He paints wooden benches.
She prunes dry leaves. She prunes dry leaves.
I arrange fresh flowers. I arrange fresh flowers. We rest under trees. We rest under trees. You pour cold lemonade. You pour cold lemonade. He watches flying butterflies. Dark clouds cover heaven. Dark clouds cover heaven.
Cool raindrops fall. Cool raindrops fall.
We gather garden tools. We gather garden tools. You close outdoor umbrellas. You close outdoor umbrellas. I carry flower baskets. I carry flower baskets. He shuts glass doors.
She wipes wet shoes. She wipes wet shoes. I dry brown loafers. I dry brown loafers.
We watch falling rain. We watch falling rain.
You boil herbal tea.
He brings warm blankets. He brings warm blankets.
She lights small candles. She lights small candles.
I pour hot tea. I pour hot tea. You share sweet cake. You share sweet cake. We sip warm drinks. He smiles with joy. He smiles with joy.
She laughs out loud. She laughs out loud. She laughs out loud. I clean the tabletop. I clean the tabletop. You turn off lights. You turn off lights.
We love our home. We love our home.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.